Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today we're covering the most essential keyboard shortcuts ever, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. If you've ever copied and pasted something on your PC, you're probably using these already. But today, I'll show you some cool tricks to make them even more powerful. Let's get started. What is Ctrl C and Ctrl V? Ctrl C copies selected text, files, or folders. Ctrl V pastes whatever you copied. Pro tip, these shortcuts work in all Windows applications, from Notepad to Microsoft Word and even web browsers. How to use Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Copying text, 1. Select any text using your mouse or keyboard, shift arrow keys. Two, press Ctrl C to copy. 3, go to where you want to paste it and press Ctrl V. Copying files and folders. 1, click on a file or folder in File Explorer. 2, press Ctrl C to copy. 3, navigate to your desired location and press Ctrl V to paste. Copying and pasting in web browsers. 1, highlight any text on a web page. 2, press Ctrl C to copy it. 3, open a document, email, or message and press Ctrl V to paste. 3, advanced copy and paste tricks. Cut paste. Instead of copying, this removes the selected item and pastes it elsewhere. Win V, Clipboard history, saves multiple copied items for easy pasting. Right-click shortcut. If you forget the shortcuts, right-click and select Copy or Paste. And that's it. Ctrl C and Ctrl V are simple but powerful tools that make everyday tasks so much easier. Did you learn something new today? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips from Fix Me Master. See you in the next one. Peace.